Why only like when me talk about people situation? I go cuss me and say me bad mind and me too enough and it now not video. Why don't want me talk about video? I'm in a video shoot, me not involved in a video.
Respect to Somali. All the time. Father, all the time. You know one thing. I'm out.
How long been you a bad man blood clot caliber? That's why you know. Everything I come like after me. Nice. But that's all man. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nandi. You know it's your boss Nandi and I am building. So we see where dancehall artists Mavado and Vybz Kartel link up on the whole crew like Buju Banton, Bounty Killer, and a lot more like Flex and a whole heap of, Farmer Alliance members. So it's safe to say the Gully and the Gaza are friends again, from back then when the artists them usually have them dancehall feud, them musical feud and stuff. But we see where Foota Hype came out I speak on the whole scene and the whole thing we go down with the whole artists them linking up, and he might ask the public, he might ask if it's a real friendship or it's mutual friendship or just for the money, cause them feel like it's not genuine, cause a long time other big name producers are try to get the artists them to collaborate together, to come together as one, and form a slight unity or something like of that sort. Unity for bring forth and make the public say, yeah, dancehall can do lyrical battle but still unite otherwise. But Foota Hype have something I say in a video, and more and play it for you, and more and play some clippings the video with the artists them linking up, like the likes of Vybz Kartel, Mavado, Buju, and all of them linking up, cause them do a video shoot for DJ Khaled music video for one of him for a song going on his album. I think his album is called A Lamb of God, but he might do a music video with all of them legends there together. But Foota Hype out here have a lot of issue with it, because he might say this not seem genuine to him. But you the viewers and subscribers, more want to share on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. If you think say it's mutual respect for each other, it's genuine where every artist link up. Because a long time we not see Buju, a long time we not see Bounty Killer and Mavado really link up, but it may seem like Vybz Kartel and Mavado had some linkage a longer time from before Vybz Kartel came out of prison, because Vybz Kartel once said in interview that him and Mavado always talk over the phone and so forth. So if you see them in person getting together, it's a good look. And as I say, I love to see the artists them coming together and linking up and form the unity. But unity don't have to be like a friendly thing, but them artists are really have a story a longer time. Them really have meetings, them are come from the same camp, the alliance are like father and son, brother and brother. But them artists I would love to see them do them thing, and it make them make big strides out there. Like I always say, me always commend the artists them when them get together and form a local unite in a sense and get together for do some form of collaboration or whatever it may be, some linkage or whatever. But we love to see. But I'm gonna play a clippings with Foota Hype attack phone, and then I play the clippings them with the artists them linking up. So watch this, people.
Why only like when me talk about people situation? I go cuss me and say me bad mind and me too enough and it now not video. Why don't want me talk about video? I'm in a video shoot, me not involved in a video. Why don't want me talk about it? Why don't want me talk about it? Why? Can you tell me now? Why? Why only so press for me talk about the people in video shoot? Me rate all of them, but them not rate me, so why don't want me talk about them? Exquisite what I go on. Alright. Let me please on the ego. We are talking about the video shoot now. Me not like them something, because you see when me talk, me I go talk how me really feel. Gaga them now defend me when the people them cuss me, because they want them to cuss me too. You understand what I say? So, as I say, it's a great link up. So now I'm talk about it for the culture. Okay. Let me talk about it for the culture. Of course, me and Mavado not talking. Me and Killer not talking. Me and Kartel not talking. Me and Khaled not talking. Me and Buju not a problem. See? I one of the greatest link up in a dancehall history. See? It's one of the greatest link up in a dancehall history. Okay? It's a great look. Big look. Me have to big up Khaled for do it. Zine, Khaled in him bag and him a do what him a do. From me talk about the good side, me I gotta talk about the bad side. It's a good link up. Great link up. But my thing is still this. Why it take Khaled to do it? You know how would I feel better about a link up, yeah? I love it, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. I love it, you know. Because even for the Alliance part, are one of the greatest reunion. Because remember, say, Alliance are the greatest team ever assembled in a dancehall. You have Worm them crew, you have all kind of crew. But Alliance was the greatest team assembled in a dancehall. So, anytime you hear Foota Hype speak, me go speak on the good side and the bad side. The good side is the reunion, is the embracing each other and everything. But the bad side about it is the hypocrisy. Man, listen to me, you know. I remember me used to this when me speak the truth. People spin it and say what they want to say. It's a great thing for the union. But you know how would I accept that union are better? You see, if Bounty Killer did say, yo, Vybz link up, Kartel link up, Buju link up, everybody feel good, and it happen, would I feel way more proud. You see, Vybz Kartel, it's a John star. You know, so I come from jail and, yo, no bad vibes. Killer, Mavado, Buju. And it work? Would have proud. You see, Buju did say, Killer, Mavado, Kartel, wanna come in, make a reason, hold back a vibe, and it happen, would have feel better. Nah, blame Khaled for nothing. Khaled is doing the right thing. He might do what suit him and it'll work. But the hypocrisy is why them no want do it. You know much bad man, you know much done, bad man, promoter, politician, friend, brother, cousin, sister try for this happen. You know much years people are trying to make everybody come together, so couldn't happen. So is it truly genuine? Or is it opportunity based? Is it brotherly love? Or is it love for opportunity and love for money? Those are the magic questions, you know. Is it a union based on brotherly love? Is it because I truly love this other artist as my brother while we are here? Or is it because of the catalyst, DJ Khaled? Is it because of what DJ Khaled brings? Is it because of the power of DJ Khaled's pen when him sign a signature? Is it because we know say if we do that song for Khaled, it's sure to sell 1 million copy? Is that why? Is it because Khaled can pick up the phone and call Jay-Z and we in contact with Jay-Z? Or Khaled can pick up the phone and call Rihanna and we in connection with Rihanna? Or Khaled can just pick up the phone and talk to Russell Simmons? Is it because of that? Or is it because we love dancehall? Or is it because we truly love each other? Those are the magic questions.
While I understand what Foota Hyper say, all I can say is that it's good to see artists put away the ego, put the ego aside, and come together and form a unity, form a strength in the game for make others out there say, yo, this can be done, this can be done. So we love to see it, but as what Foota Hyper say, you have some merit to what I'm saying. But you the viewers and subscribers in the comment section, let me know what you think. If you think what Foota Hyper say have any merit to it, because a long time them artists are really rival for how much years. The only person where we not see right now in that whole clippings there is Beanie Man, and the differences with Beanie Man and some of them artists here. I don't think Beanie Man and Vybz Kartel, Beanie Man and Mavado, or Beanie Man and Bounty Killer really link up like that. They may not have nothing, but we not see them link up or nothing. So that's the only person where we not going to see. But the viewers, let me know what you think about what Foota Hyper say. As I said, some of the things that I say are some solid point. As I say, a lot of people are trying to get them together. A lot of people did try to get them to collaborate together from a longer time. But DJ Khaled carry that weight. DJ Khaled have that weight overseas where him can connect, him can make the links and the connects them overseas, and him can make the music go far also. But as me say, and as a Foota Hyper say, enough look at other producer there where they want, collaborate with them and want do something with them together, and it never really happened. But as me say, it's good to see the artists them put away the ego aside and really link up, because remember say, them a come from far, they were once in the same camp. So it's always good and always a mutual thing to see them form that allegiance together again. So I respect that. But tell me one thing, viewers and subscribers, but watch the artists them in another video, yeah.
Respect to Somali. All the time. Father, all the time.
Miami.
Yeah, yeah, man. All the time. Yo, man.
Yeah, man,
All the time. Yeah, man. Oh, man, that is. Yeah, man, school, man. Yeah. Man, for this, man. Remember, sir, from your 13. One boy, man.
How long been you a bad man, blood, clan, caliber? That's why you're so, everything I come like Afrobeat. Nice.
That's all, man. Need some grime in this fucking night.
Madam Mim. I'm a daddy, I'm a brother, I want to slow down the momentum.
Up, yeah.
Yeah, we have to keep up this thing.
That's all.
How we take over, we live.
Yeah,
man.
Fresh drop.
Regular. You know anything? I'm out.
Ready, Russia.
Find me, I come from.
Regular. You know anything? I'm out.
Ready, Russia. Ready, flexing the complex.
So yeah, my people, as me saying, it's a good look for see the artists them a get together and the whole of them artists here another picture. Yeah. Them a legend in the game, them a legend in the dancehall. So it's good and a good look for see them. But where the same thing with Foota Hyper said, me that share a same sentiment to say. But I love to see DJ Khaled get the link, get the likes of Popcorn, Skillybank, Massacre, or maybe a Alkaline. Who knows? It may not happen, but it may happen. But as a Foota Hyper said, why DJ Khaled never get them younger acts there? Fi get them together, the Skillybank, the whole of them look at acts there, fi do the same thing we do now with Kartel and Mavado and Bounty Killer and Bujo and the whole of them. So, but I love to see DJ Khaled get the likes of all of them artists named the one I call the Popcorn, the Massacre, the Alkaline, the Skillybank, them artists there, from them time they will do it. Or maybe some other artists, it may not even be Skillybank, it may not even be Alkaline, but we see where DJ Khaled once had Skillybank on a song also on him album, on one of them album them. So, as I say people, it's a good look to see the artists them, but We want to see more of this if it's true genuine, if it's true mutuality, and it's maturity. So yeah, we want to see that. So wanna share on the thoughts in the comment section. Make me know what you think about everything when Foota Hyper say. And when me just say people, you know it go already, man. A Vybz and Insight with another one. Mad thing. I'm out. Peace.